My channel. I'm rolling with Renee, and I'm back again with another episode of my fitness journey. Today is day 4 of the 4-week fitness challenge that I have here with Juice and Toya on YouTube. But today is day 4 and it is a full body dumbbell workout. So yeah, let's get into it. So I have my dumbbells. I'm using the Select Tech from Bowflex. I'm using the Select Techs, and I have a pair of 10 pounds. So it's 20 pounds that I'm going to be using today for this workout. All right, so we've made it to the end of the workout, but I'm done with this workout for today. This is day 4. It was definitely a challenge, but that's what we signed up for. Make sure that you have subscribed. Make sure you like this video, comment, share this video, do whatever you want to do. But whatever it is that you do, make sure that you do not dim your light to make other people comfortable. Make sure your light shines so bright that you don't care who it blinds. And that's my message for all 2022, period.